guys, welcome to today's video. It's your girl Nats and I hope everyone is happy, healthy and doing okay. Today's video is a well requested video, you guys. I remember some months ago when I did a live, many of you asked me to do a full-on tour of Daiso, just show you every single thing that is in Daiso, that you can buy in Daiso, that you can get in Daiso, and that is what this video is. This video was pre-recorded, you guys. I recorded this back in maybe December or so when I was doing Christmas with Nats. It was supposed to be a Christmas with Nats video, but obviously content overload, so this one fell through the cracks. But luckily it's not too Christmassy, so it still works for right now, and I really wanted to put the video out for you guys to see what Daiso has in store for you. So without further ado, let's head on right into the video. It's a lot of voiceover, but trust me, you'll be seeing every single thing in about 15 or thereabout minutes. So let's jump right into the video. The very first part of the store when you walk in at my Daiso is the toy section, and you can find all kinds of toys in here for any aged kids that you have, you guys. Like there are cards, there are swords, there are even toy guns, there are tennis rackets, tennis balls, all sort of things. Anything that you need to play with, it is there. Another thing that Daiso also have is a lot of home goods, you guys, and stuff that you would not even think to get for yourself, such as walking shoes insole. I mean, yes, we might need insoles at some points in our life, but I'm just trying to tell you the extent to which Daiso has everything. Majority, or let's say maximum amount of storage containers, clothing hangers, so you do not have to go on Amazon and buy expensive clothes hangers, you guys. Like, you can get hangers for 110 yen in Daiso. They also have a whole lot of jewelry organizing. You know, we always see how people organize their jewelry well and all of that stuff. Daiso sells all of these stuff for like 100 yen, you guys, and it is not the best quality majority of the time, but trust me, it gets the job done, and you do not need to spend a good penny to get certain organizing done in your house. As you can see, there are massive amounts of storage containers, different sizes, different quality, different patterns and all of that stuff to help you get organized based on your taste. They also carry a lot of simple basic like toiletries and stuff like that. You need a plunger for your toilet brushes, brooms, lint rollers, all of that stuff. And let me just add that this video is not sponsored by Daiso at all. I just wanted to show you guys who are coming to Japan soon just all of the things that you can get in the dollar store, so you can prepare your budget to not, you know, spend a whole lot of money. You can even get toilet paper in the dollar store, you guys. So if you're like that broke, you can buy toilet paper rolls for 110 yen. This section here is like sewing supplies, so everything that you need, from needles and threads and buttons and all of that stuff. I do not even know majority of the stuff in the sewing section, you guys, but if you are a person that loves to sew and all of that stuff, you'll be able to find all of your needs in Daiso, I assure you. You guys, Daiso even sells like men's work shirts and belts and ties and socks and all of that good stuff. Every single thing that you'll ever need, you can get it for cheap in Daiso. wallets, you guys, face rags, face towels, all of that stuff can also be found in Daiso. Here you're seeing a lot of like pouches that you can use to store items. They even have travel cases, you know, that travel bag that you can stuff your things in when you're traveling. They also have that for cheap. I have to remind you that not everything that you're seeing is for 110 yen exactly. As I said, things in Daiso tend to go up to maybe 1,000 yen. I've never seen something marked 1,000 yen, but I have seen stuff marked for 800 yen. So I'm assuming it does not go over 1,000 yen. So bear that in mind. This section is like your bath section. You can find shower curtains inside here, shower pins inside here, all of that stuff. Even exercise equipment, you guys. Like, look at these dumbbells and fitness balls for 500 yen. That if you go into an actual athletic store, these stuff will be sold for like thousands of yen, and you can get it here. If you need a walking stick, you can get it in Daiso. All right, Band-Aid to supply your medicine cabinet and all of that stuff, you can find in Daiso. Fingernail clips, you guys, like all things cosmetics, fingernail clip, scissors, razors to shave the things, like makeup. Well, I do not recommend buying makeup in Daiso just because for 110 yen, makeup for that price seems kinda stretching it to me. And skin, is a very sensitive thing, and you do not want breakouts and all of that. So I actually would not recommend purchasing makeup in Daiso, but I know a few YouTubers who have done the makeup challenge with only Daiso makeup, and it does not look, too bad. So if you are a dollar store person, feel free to go to town in Daiso on the makeup. But I'm just letting you know that they have everything. They have jewelry, they have earrings, hair brushes, all the things that you'll need for your cosmetic care, nail polishes, lipsticks, mascaras, all of that stuff.
Oh, I knew you would call back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me. Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
Oh my god, this shaved ice machine for 500 yen. I intend on getting it, you guys, because I love a good snow cone. Also here, there are just many storage items, you guys, like everything, flowers, candles that you can use to decorate your home. It's glorious, the amount of stuff Daiso has for you to decorate your house without any thought, and you're not spending a lot of money, you know what I mean? They have calendars. Also, you guys, Daiso is very famous for, I don't know if you've heard about dollar store snacks and food, but yeah, Daiso carries a whole range of them. As you can see here, there's seasonings, you guys. Seasonings for 110 yen. So if you're broke and you run out of salt or you run out of oil and you only have 200 yen in your house, you can survive. Okay, so bear that in mind. Daiso has a lot of snacks, a lot of seasonings, a lot of food. They also sell drinks and all of that, water, coffee, all of that stuff. I'm sure I mentioned this before, but also you can get a lot of house, not just house decor, but house storage stuff like your mats, your carpets, inside slippers, all of that stuff. Big cushions, small cushions, the little character teddy bears. I'm not even sure what they call them, plushie or something like that. I don't know, but you can get them there. You can get curtains, you can get tablecloths, and all kinds of storage bins, you guys. Like, everything that you would ever need for your home, you can get in Daiso. And also the stationery in Daiso is like so good. Like the dollar store stationery and the stationery in Japan on a whole, you guys, are so good. They have a whole entire aisle that is just dedicated to stationery and the stuff of that use. As you can see, there are many kinds of storage containers here for anything, basically clothes, shoes, whatever, pencil case, you name it, they have it. They have file jackets, folders, white printing papers. They have everything that you need: scissors, sticky notes, magnets, whiteboards, blackboards, chalk, whiteboard markers. Guys, everything, the thing that you'll ever need for your house or for school or for work. They have bubble wraps, you guys. You're even going to see a mannequin inside of this video. Like, they have mannequin heads. Here are some puzzle books. I have not seen English puzzle books, but they're puzzle books just in case you're interested in learning Japanese and kanji and hiragana and all of that stuff. There's stuff for that too. So yeah, Daiso is like your one-stop shop for everything, you guys. Moving along to handy home tools, you guys, you can get things from toolboxes. There you can see the mannequin head that I was talking to you about earlier. Toolboxes, screwdrivers, scissors, measuring tapes, like all kinds of stuff that I do not even know what to do with or whatever are sold in Daiso. You can see like some 200 yen tags and all of that. Another thing to note, you will also see the cost of things, you guys. Like, if it is not for 110 yen, the cost is always going to be on it. So you just see something and you see 200 yen or 300 yen on it. That just means it's not for 100 yen. If you do not see a price on it, then it is for 100 yen. You guys, selfie sticks, phone cases, mouse pads, glasses, like reading glasses and all of that stuff, CD cases, CD pouches, all of that stuff, earphones, you guys, you can get in Daiso as well. So if you're moving to Japan, do not worry, do not be afraid. You'll be able to find every single thing that you need in the dollar store. Of course, I always urge you to check the things that you need in quality, because things to 100 yen may not be the best quality, and you want to know that you are investing your money the best place as possible. So like Daiso pots, for example, I would not recommend, because they will, be of no use in no time. But I'm just saying, you can find whatever you want These here are just little wallpapers that you can use to change the pattern of anything that you dislike in your house. So if you do not like the walls, you can buy these sticky things and you can now have a marble wall or whatever. And I think this area is where nobody ever really talks about in Daiso, you guys. So I'm happy that I'm getting the opportunity to share with you. And this is just really the gardening section, so everything that you need to start a little garden of your own. So soil, you can get soil. In Jamaica we call that dirt. Yeah, you have watering pots, you have all of those green things are just stuff that you can use to set up your own little gardening area. They have pet food, cat food, dog food, all of that stuff, you guys. Stuff to run away birds from out of your garden and all that stuff. They have vases or vases, if that's how you pronounce that word. But basically everything that you need for your gardening needs. They have water hoses, they have fake grass, they have all of that stuff, you guys. Gloves that you can use to get your hands dirty, everything that you basically need to get dirty in preparing for a garden. So this is just basically to say Daiso has everything. These here are flower pots, you guys, that very cute flower pots that you can use to repot plants that you buy and all that stuff so your house can look pretty. All of this stuff, and this is just to say that Daiso has everything that you will ever need, you guys. And yes, just like that, we are back to how I was recording the intro. So yeah, I recorded the intro and outro at the same time, but I do hope that you enjoyed seeing in Daiso and you have peace of mind. If you are planning to move to Japan, at least you know that you'll be able to find everything that you need right here in the dollar store. It will not cost you an arm and a leg to buy certain things. I mean, if you're more high-end, then of course that's a different kettle of fish that you will need to fry on your own. But this was all of the stuff you can see in Daiso. So guys, please be sure to check out these two videos right here on your screen. And if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
So back to what I was saying.